Two big films have released today, Sarkar 3 and Meri Pyari Bindu. I'm going to start with Sarkar 3. Amitabh Bachchan still friends with RGV, and frankly, this film is better than the tweets that RGV writes.
किसी भी एक्टर को स्लो मोशन में शुरू करते हुए चाय पीते देखने में कोई मजा नहीं आता, unless of course it's me. सरकार 3 को सबसे ज्यादा फायदा अमिताभ बच्चन से ही हुआ है. हाँ, the good thing, there are no songs in the film, which helps you get some genuinely intense moments. But bad thing, background music background में नहीं रहना चाहता. गोविंदा 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 बड़ा शोर मचाते हैं.
Film number 2 is Meri Pyari Bindu. No thank you, huh? That's exactly what you'll be saying after watching this one. The story is what you see in the trailer, and I am a self-respecting Bengali, and as a self-respecting Bengali, I cannot accept Ayushmann Khurrana's character, who's a bong, and he says Ashchorjo instead of Aschorjo. That's not how it works.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi made his way to neighbouring Sri Lanka today on the occasion of International Vesak Day. This is the second trip to Sri Lanka in the last 2 years, and there have already been a lot of key outcomes of his visit.
As part of the innovative Indian housing projects in Sri Lanka, 4,000 houses are being constructed. I am delighted to announce the construction of an additional 10,000 houses in up-country areas under this project.
As part of his Buddhism outreach program, the Prime Minister announced a direct Air India flight from Colombo to Varanasi.
अब ये आधार से आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट वगैरह हो गया तो सोचने वाली बात है ना.
अब हर चीज से आधार जोड़ देंगे क्या यार, ये मैंडेटरी तो नहीं था.
So there have been a lot of questions about Aadhaar and privacy infringement in the last few months, and we caught up with Dr. Ajay Bhushan Pandey, CEO of the Unique Identification Authority of India, to ask him the tough questions. Here's what he had to say.
पिछले साल पार्लियामेंट ने एक आधार का कानून बनाया, आधार एक्ट जिसको हम कहते हैं. उसके तहत आधार अब एक सभी जो देशवासी हैं, जो रेसिडेंट हैं, उन सब के लिए एक इंटाइटलमेंट हो गया है कि आपको अब आधार मिल सकता है. आपको अगर आप चाहें तो आधार मिल सकता है. तो उस सेंस में अगर कहें तो वॉलंटरी है, क्योंकि ये आपका इंटाइटलमेंट है, और इंटाइटलमेंट है तो इसका मतलब कि अगर आपकी इच्छा है तो आप आधार ना बनवाएं. लेकिन वही कानून, उसका एक सेक्शन 7 है, वो ये कहता है कि अगर किसी को अगर सरकारी सब्सिडी लेनी हो, अगर सरकारी पैसा है, सब्सिडी जा रही हो, तो सरकार को इसका पूरा अधिकार है कि उसकी आइडेंटिटी तय करे. और उसकी आइडेंटिटी तय करने के लिए उस व्यक्ति को कहा जा सकता है कि आप अपना आधार कार्ड दीजिए.
In what seems to be a setback for Congress chief Sonia Gandhi and Beta Rahul, the Delhi High Court has ordered an income tax probe into the Young India Company, which is at the heart of the National Herald case. The court said the company cannot be so arrogant and will have to submit documents to the IT department. Ouch! Do log on to the Quint to find out more. अब RJ Stuti ने तो कह ही दिया, Sarkar 3 is average, but at least it's better than director Ram Gopal Verma's tweets. Now we actually spoke to RGV about his tweets, and here's what he had to say.
With regard to all the tweets I did on Tiger or Vidyut, that's a little personal, and a lot of things happened. I apologized on the Twitter, and I said in many interviews I feel terrible about it, and I also swore on Lord Ganpati that I will never do that again to any individual.